Welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we're here in lovely Leeds. It's a nice and sunny day. We've got a Biazzi Combi on the wall and we're swapping it out for the new Ideal Logic Plus. Let's go meet Mike and Gaz who are doing the install on today's job. You're welcome to say hi, Mike.
Just told me when I got a
As you can see, we're in a utility room, quite a small, confined, compact space. Sweeps up the washing machine out, gives a bit more space access to the boiler. So we've got a Biazzi Snazzy boiler. You've got your pump over on the right, your plate heat exchanger at the back. As you can see, the boiler's quite low, the countertop is pretty high towards the boiler, so we're gonna have to raise it up slightly to allow more space for servicing and maintenance. Let's get it off the wall. We're now draining down. The water is super clear, so there's no need for any sort of power flush or magna cleanse. The normal chemical flush will do just fine for this system. Woo! Woo! There's the flue. It came out eventually. Quite a long one. As you can see, boiler's now off the wall. We've got a nice blank space showing the original brick. We are probably gonna have to cut a lot of this out to make space for the new boiler. Boiler's now being picked up. Let's go unbox it. Here we go then. Oh, man. Logic Plus C35 Combi. Oh. You got a knife?
Right, so we'll box the boiler for the first time. So all we've got inside is manufacturer's instructions to give us all the details of how to install a boiler and service procedures. A wall jig, so you know correctly where to install a boiler on the wall. Plate to hang the boiler off. Fittings pack. A blow-off pipe and the boiler itself. So customers chose a Ideal Logic 35 kilowatts. Perfectly suited for this property. It's quite a large property. It's got a bath, a shower on separate feeds. So it's got quite a high demand for hot water, so the 35 will comfortably do that, and it's got 15 radiators, so the 24 kilowatt heat exchange will be perfect.
Possible new segment here on the channel. We're going to be going to random food spots near jobs. For engineers that are working in the area, they can find a nice sandwich shop. What have you ordered?
So I've ordered a bacon and brie panini. It's a bit anemic. Fair amount of bacon in there, looks like it's all chopped up.
Straight in.
It's a win. It's a win. 7 out of 10.
Wow.
7 out of 10. And they get a bonus point because we've got appetizer in the fridge.
A hot dog. Bit of a childish pick from me, I'll be honest. Chips feel rather thin, cheap, French fries. So overall, the North Street Deli, is that what it's called?
North Street Deli.
Lovely cafe, lovely staff. If you're in a bit of a fix, it's a great choice to go for. Go for the bacon and brie sandwich over the hot dog, because the hot dog just tastes like a can hot dog.
Not wood.
Why?
It looks like wood.
It looks like wood. Not the first time. I am an iHeat installer, but it's Kai. Who's he gonna be?
iHeat Barnes.
Hey Barry, it's Jacob.
Hiya, you alright?
Hi, yeah. I didn't have your number, so I just rang iHeat. I need, Fenney needs a cage for this flue. He did need the extension, but he needs a cage.
Right, okay, don't order it now.
Just so that Wosley down the road, if you could, that'd be great.
Yeah, no worries, we'll do it that way.
Wonderful. The old flue is under 2 meters, so we need to get a cage to go over the flue to protect it from people walking by, animals, debris, etc. Midday lunch, have a nice San Pellegrino, lemon flavoured. Just want to introduce who Fenney is, or Mike, if you take it away and introduce yourself, please.
Mike Fenney from St Helens, been an engineer for 4 years now.
Crack it. How long have you been at iHeat for?
So since the very beginning. So when was that? 20?
Probably yeah.
Just before COVID, wasn't it? Just before COVID.
Why a gas engineer? Why are you a gas engineer? What made you want to be one?
Well, I was in the army prior,
Right.
Worked with Tom on leave and my time off in between. And then when I decided to leave the army, found out I could do a course, did portfolio like Gaz is doing today. So first started out with British Gas, and then when iHeat started, just
Jump ship.
Jump ship, yeah.
What did you actually do in the army, if you don't mind me asking?
So I was an infantry in 3 rifles for 8 years. Didn't move from 3 rifles, didn't move around, but ended up being a full corporal. I've been pretty much everywhere, to be honest with you. Afghan, Kenya, Germany, Northern Ireland.
Why change? Why change from army to the gas then?
Family life, to be honest. Majority of the time I was in the army was predominantly away. So fancy some more time at home. Just a change. It just changed over the years, the actual battalion, and there's not much going on.
I think a lot of the viewers are going to be apprentices wanting to be full-time gas engineers. Do you have any advice you could give to any apprentices in the field to get a job at the end of it, not just a waste of time, or just advice you give them to be the best engineer they can?
Main advice is attitude. Don't be on your phone. Look proactive. Proactive is a big thing with me.
Well, I appreciate that. We should probably crack on.
Yeah,
let's go.
fantastic. Stay down
Boiler is now all done. The Ideal Plus looking beautiful on the wall. The flue quite long, just look a bit awkward, but that's just how the job's got to go. As mentioned before, the clearances, we have got this cupboard in front, but it is a removable cupboard, so servicing and maintenance can still occur. So that has been Day in the Life of an Engineer, episode 5. Thanks for watching. This has been iHeat.